right, happy Tuesday, everybody. Let's start checking. Number one, you had to solve and then shade in to represent. We're making equivalent fractions here. So we started with the fraction 1/5. To show that, we look at our whole. It's been divided into 5 parts. To show 1/5, you shade in one of them. Now, how many tenths are equivalent to 1/5? If you look at the model, the next whole has been cut into 10 parts, and we see that 2 of them are equivalent to 1/5. Remember, if you do the math, 1 times 2 is 2, and 5 times 2 is 10. So 2 tenths and 1/5 are equivalent fractions. All right, number 2, it said to solve and then shade in to represent. We are adding fractions. Check your denominators, they are the same. So we just add our numerators. 5 plus 5 is 10. Keep the denominator 6. So we're going to shade that in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we look at the model, we see that 10/6 is the same thing as having 1 whole and 4/6. But there's an easier way that we can say 1 whole and 4/6. We can also simplify it and say 1 2/3. All right, number 3, we are going to solve 8 times 2,934, and we're going to use an area model to do that. The area model just breaks it down into the place value, so you really see what you're multiplying. 8 times 2,000 is 16,000. 8 times 900 is 7,200. 8 times 30 is 240, and 8 times 4 is 32. Now we need to add this all together. So 16,000, 7,200, 240, and 32. So my ones place gets a 2, tens place is 7, hundreds is 4, 6 plus 7 is 13. We have to regroup. So your final answer should be 23,472. All right, let's move on to one of the properties of multiplication. This is the commutative property, which says you can multiply your factors in any order and still get the same product. So if 8 times 7 equals 56, that means that 7 times 8 is also going to be 56. All right, the last one. Solve and show your work. Greg has 56 pencils and 8 pens. How many times as many pencils does he have than pens? All right, so pencils are 56, pens are 8. They're asking how many times bigger is 56 than 8. So this is set up as a division problem. 56 divided by 8 is going to be equal to 7. So he has 7 times as many. 7 times as many pencils as pens. All right, that's it for Tuesday. Y'all have a great day. I will see you later.